All right, y'all, welcome back. Hopefully you found the areas of all these. If you have questions, you can check with the sub because they do have an answer key. All right, these word problems. They look a little tricky, but it's kind of the same thing we've already been doing. So let's pull out the important information for number 13. We have a triangle. That's very important. That tells us what formula we're going to use. With an area of 45.5 and a base that measures 14 centimeters. Find the height. All right, so we know we're using triangle. So my formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now let's plug in the information that we know into our formula. So area is 45.5 equals 1/2. The base is 14 times 14. And we're looking for the height, so let's just keep our variable in there, keep h. Now, this is just simply solving for h. So let's start by combining like terms on the right-hand side. So you get 45.5, 1/2 times 14 is 7 times h. Now I have 7 times h, so we want to do inverse operation. The opposite of multiplication is division. So you can divide both sides by 7 to get h by itself. So you get h equals 45.5 divided by 7, which is going to be 6.5. Because we're just finding the height, my units are going to be centimeters, not centimeters squared. All right, number 14, same thinking. You're just using the formula for a parallelogram. Number 15, because it's a trapezoid, is a little bit trickier. So let's go ahead and write down that formula for the area of a trapezoid. So area equals 1/2 my height times my first base plus my second base. So a trapezoid with a base measures 23 kilometers and 29 kilometers has an area of 390 kilometers square. Find the height of the trapezoid. So once again, we're looking for h, and we have numbers that we can plug in for all of my variables here. So the area is 390, so we'll plug that in for a, equals 1/2. We're looking for h, so we're gonna leave the h in there, times my base plus my base. So we have first base of 23 plus the second base of 29. Now we're simply simplifying and solving for h. So let's first start by combining like terms. So you get 23 plus 29. So 390 equals 1/2 h times 23 plus 29 is going to be 52. Now let's keep simplifying on the right side. We can do 1/2 times 52, which is going to be 26. So you get 390 equals 26 times h. And now we have 26 times h. So we want to do the inverse operation of multiplication, which means we're dividing. So 390 divided by 26, you get h equals 15, and my units are kilometers. All right, y'all. Your job is to finish 14 and 16, check with the sub, and then you can go ahead and start your homework. We're going to do it a little bit different this time, and it's actually an assignment on Edulastic. So if you log in using your Google account, you'll see the assignment 11-9 geometry homework. It looks like a typical like problem or worksheet on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side, you'll see boxes where you can enter your answers. So you're just going to enter your answers for numbers 1 through 13, and then press submit. This is due tonight at midnight. If you have any questions, you can email me. Other than that, I will see y'all tomorrow.